Today I'm going to be opening our new webcam. This actually arrived on St. Patrick's Day, which is a holiday here. You can see Amazon has sent it in a nice cardboard box, quite plain, very light. There's no extra weight or packaging. All I've got to open it is the scissors. I might not even need that. It seemed easy enough. Okay, nope. No foam, no packaging, no polystyrene. That's unnecessary, nothing whatsoever. No plastic. Cardboard is recyclable. This is a webcam. Full HD 108 OP. Looks simple enough. It says built-in microphone, just use plug and play. Adjust the focus manually, multifunctional base. Built-in noise reduction microphone. That can be useful. Automatic low light correction. Tripod ready clip. I must try that. All we wanted it for initially was just to put on the computer as a webcam, but it shows you there's other uses, or even at your desk you might find it useful to have a tripod at times. That looks pretty good. Customer service. Gift card. Please leave a product review on Amazon if you're satisfied. Well, we'll test it first. Email screenshot of the review. And you'll get a warranty. And a gift card. Well, that'll be very nice. I don't know that we're going to need anything else from them because this presumably will do us quite some time, but we'll see. Might be nice to give one as a gift even. Of course, we didn't need these until all of a sudden we had a pandemic into lockdown, and then everybody needed Zoom and Skype and all the other streaming and live events. And that's it, very basic and simple. You can see there's no extra packaging. There's this one bag, which from the feel of it is a bit different. It looks like it might even be biodegradable. It says on its CPE, so I'll have to look at that. See what I actually do to it. Now, there's a little black thing, little plastic plug, which might have come out or something. So I'll have to see where that came from and whether it's part of this or not. It might be stray. I don't see anywhere that it could have come out of, except there. Okay. Can you see there's a little hole here, a little screw thread. And here there's another one, but it's got the plastic plug in it. And this one doesn't have the plastic plug. That's where it came out of. So that's doesn't have a screw thread on it, so it's just not actually necessary. It's just to fill in, stop any bit of dirt getting in there, and to make a nice clean look. So that's got pushed back in. So I would suggest these little things, they're light enough that they can come out in the movement of the post. Just check when you open the bag, see if anything has come out, and if it has, you'll very simply be able to put it back in. Now, you can see with this one, it fits over the edge of the laptop or the edge of the PC screen, or Mac screen if that's what you've got. But on the underneath, there's also the mount for the tripod. I shall get a tripod and try it. One tripod, one mini tripod. And if it won't fit on a mini tripod, you probably don't want it on your desk, because the major size tripod will take up far too much of your office. So there you go. You can use your webcam as a camera. Who would have thought? It's a great idea actually, because you can bend and focus so easily. This tripod itself has a little bit of manoeuvrability, but I won't stress it out because and the weights on top, they could overbalance quite easily. So be careful with that. And the end here is USB, plug and play. It doesn't look like a USB 3 because it's not blue, just USB. It says QC pass, presume that's quality control. Little adapter there. Yeah, that's it. Simple, like all the best tools. Good and simple. We'll see how it works. I'm looking forward to using this, trying it out.